If science can be summed up in a single word, it's curiosity. And I got curious. What is the age of the universe? Well, spoiler alert, it's 13.7 billion years old, give or take a few years. But who cares? What really matters is how we know the age of the universe. To have an age, the universe must have had a beginning. Well, by using sophisticated telescopes, we've observed not only galaxies, but galaxies moving away from us. All we then have to do is rewind the clock and find that all matter must have started from a single point, the Big Bang. So the Big Bang was an explosion of matter, and explosions are predictable. Imagine we observe a car that exploded a second ago. How can we prove that it exploded a second ago? We can observe the movement of objects from the explosion, such as this tyre. My ruler shows it's 16 meters from the explosion, and my speed camera shows it's moving at 16 meters per second. If we assume the tyre's speed is constant, this gives us a time of travel and the age of the explosion to 1 second. Now instead of a car exploding, it's the universe, and instead of observing tyres, we observe galaxies. The distances the galaxies are from us can be found using standard candles, objects of known luminosity and distance, such as a Type II supernova. And the velocity of these galaxies can be found through redshift, an effect that extends the wavelength of light the faster the galaxy is moving away from us. The galaxy's distances and velocities were recorded at the Hubble telescope in a way slightly differently to what you can see here, but the result will be the same. Now, just like with the tyre, imagine we have a hypothetical galaxy 1 meter from us. The speed of that galaxy would be equivalent to the Hubble's constant. Now, it's no coincidence that the official units of the Hubble's constant is the reciprocal of time. So by simply calculating 1 over the Hubble's constant, we will get the time of the explosion, or the age of the universe, as 4.33 times 10 to the power of 17 seconds. Now by dividing by the amount of seconds in a year, we get 13.7 billion years. So next time you're complaining that you're getting too old, imagine how the universe feels.